after our tremendous success that we experienced on Shark Tank and HSN, we realized quite a few things. And one of the main things we wanted to emphasize is how to effectively use sock tabs, because we know that when you attach sock tabs correctly, then they work every single time. So that is what I want to do right now. So obviously you take one tab, and what you're going to do, which I think is very important, is to make sure that you pinch the wings together to make a point, okay? It's kind of like a safety pin, you know, you have to kind of play with it after a while, but once you get used to doing it, you do it very easily. So you pinch the wings together to a point and you insert it through one sock, okay? And then of course you wear it. There are two ways that you can wear sock tabs. You can wear it with the wings on the inside, and the way that it was constructed was that it's contoured, so it really does not interfere with your legs. However, if you think you might feel it, all you have to do is thread it back through the sock, and because the sock's fibers are so forgiving, it does not damage the socks at all. So again, there's two ways to wear it: with the wings out like this, or you can wear it with the wings on the inside. So now you're ready to attach the sock tab to the other sock. You're going to repeat the process. You simply pinch the wings together once again to a point, and it's important to do that because what you're going to need to do is insert it through the other sock. Now it has the maximum amount of fabric behind the wings that's going to keep the socks attached. And I say you should be able to swing your socks around like a helicopter. That way you know they will not come off. And I know for a fact that once they're done correctly, you will experience what all of the other people have experienced, and that is having your socks come out of the dryer together every single time. And as you can see, one last note, it's only necessary to tab one layer of each sock in order to make this happen. So thanks again for all of your support, and we're happy to be keeping socks together one tab at a time with SockTabs. This is an actual load of laundry, and it excites me every single time I open up my dryer. And you can see here, literally, these are just clothes that I have. Here are my pajamas. But what do I have here? I have so many pairs of socks that are coming out attached. And that is what excites me every single time, because once again, if you attach them correctly, you can spin them around like a helicopter and they don't come apart. So just make sure that the most important thing is that you tab the socks at the top part of the sock, only one layer for each sock, and you make sure that you simply pinch the wings together to a point, and that will give it the maximum amount of fabric that's going to be behind the wings, which is what's going to keep the socks together. So just wanted to show you that sock tabs are very effective if you use them correctly.